Welcome, today I am with VIVO V20 SE and today I will show you how you can check if your phone is rooted. So at the first you have to open the dialer and then tap on the dial pad. Right now we have to input asterisk hash 001 and hash asterisk. Right now we will be automatically moved to this data, and as you can see here we got a lot of stuff that we can check, but we are interested about this option right here is root and it's on the 0, so it means that our smartphone is not rooted. But if you got here the number 1, it means that your phone is rooted. So yeah, as you can see, it's very simple. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.